Hello, this topic name is orientation. It is coming under the subject animal behavior. I'm going to discuss some of the questions from this topic. So let's start. Okay. Here is the first question. First question is forward and backward movement on an axis is called. That is forward and backward movement in an axis is called as pitching. You can see this axis. This is forward movement. This one, okay, this one, forward and backward movement. This is called pitching. Okay. Next question is up and down. It is similar kind of question, but question is asking about up and down movement. Okay, give me a moment. Here, up and down movement on an axis is called as yawning. Here, this up, down, okay, vertical plane, horizontal plane, that is called as yawning. Third question is left and right movement on an axis is called, that is rolling. Left and right movement is called rolling. Okay. Next is here question number 4. When stimulus is unidirected and unlearned, stimulus is unlearned, this kind of movement or orientation is called kinesis. I have shown you the difference between taxis and kinesis movement. A motion or orientation of a cell, organism or part in response to an external stimulus. Okay, and it is directed in case of taxis. In case of kinesis, an undirected movement of cell, organism, part in response to an external stimulus. A directional movement which occurs towards positive or away from stimuli, that may be positive or negative, but it is directional. In case of kinesis, it is a random movement. Type aerotaxis, magnetotaxis, phototaxis. And in case example of kinesis, that is this is types orthokinesis and clinokinesis. Okay, let's move. I hope this question is clear. Question number 5 is when rate of change in direction increase with increase in stimulus intensity. Okay, that is called as clinokinesis. It is of two types, orthokinesis and clinokinesis. Here orthokinesis is a type of kinesis. It is the stimulus intensity determines the organism's speed of movement, and clinokinesis, the stimulus intensity determines the organism's rate of turning. Okay, and it is unlearned. Question number 6 is when speed of locomotion is related to intensity of stimulus. Speed of locomotion is intensity of the stimulus. It is called orthokinesis. Okay. Number 7 question is when orientation is influenced by the direction of stimulus, that is called as taxis, while kinesis is unidirectional and unlearned. Yeah, taxis are movement by an animal towards or away, that means positive or negative, from an environmental stimulus. Movement towards a stimulus is positive taxis, and movement away from the stimulus is negative taxis. I hope this question and its explanation is clear. Here is the question number 8. Question number 8 is asking orienting response towards water. These are easy questions, one-liner questions. I have represented it in fill in the blanks format. That is hydrotaxis. Hydro means water. You just remember this. Orienting response towards temperature is thermotaxis. Orienting response towards light is phototaxis. Photo means light. Question number 11 is orienting response towards touch is thigmotaxis. Orienting response towards chemicals is chemotaxis. Orienting response towards electric field is galvanotaxis. Okay. Now, question number 14. Orienting response towards gravity is geotaxis. Orienting response towards water current, orienting response towards only water. If you come across the word water, that is hydrotaxis, but it is asking about water current, so it is rheotaxis. Question number 16 is orienting response towards earth magnetic field, that is geomagnetaxis. Okay, this is all the questions from the orientation. Thank you for watching. Bye.